Welcome everybody to this amazing model home tour. This specific model home by KB Homes is model 2435, which also represents the square footage of the home. 4-bedroom, full 3 bathrooms home with a bed and bathroom, full bathroom downstairs, amazing floor plan, nice sized backyard, and also in one of the most prominent zip codes in the city of Elk Grove. In this video today, we're going to show you a detailed walkthrough of this specific model, talk about the KB home builder in general, what are their pros and cons, talk about the Elk Grove city, the school district, safety of these neighborhoods, and also give you a detailed information on Melrose, HOA, and everything else you would want to know before making this beautiful community, this beautiful city, your future home. In this aerial view, as you can see, a lot of new construction is happening around this neighborhood. A lot of the homes have already been sold. Few of the homes that you see that are still getting constructed around this specific model home are yet to be sold. So this specific community by KB Homes is almost sold out. They have about 20 homes to go. And out of those 20, about 4 to 5 homes off the available lots is the 2435 square feet. They also have other homes for sale. It's a little bit of a higher price point, about 2,700 square feet. And the price for those homes are around 750 to 775. I already have a detailed video of that model home on my channel, so feel free to check it out, and also I'll link it towards the end of the video as well. Just on the outside of it, the house looks really great. Great curb appeal. You have the window, the garage, and the main entry into the house visible right from the street, so it gives you that big house vibe even when you are standing outside of the house. KB Homes likes to put great finishes to the homes, so as you can see, that little patterned exterior that you see next to the windows above the garage is what gives KB Homes a special appeal to the curb, also known as the curb appeal. And they also have other model homes that are smaller in size and also larger in size available, and we have videos of those on my channel and you can check those out. But today specifically, we're going to talk about 2435 and show you the detailed floor plan that this specific model house has. Talking a little bit about KB Homes, they've been around Elk Grove for a long time and they have many different communities. This is one such community known as the Grove. As soon as you get into the house, one of the first things you'll notice is that it has a ton of natural sunlight coming into the house. Even when we go take you to the second floor, you'll see there are windows that open right on that staircase, giving it tons of natural light. We're going to start this model home, the interior model home tour, by showing you the family room, the dining area, and also the kitchen. In most new homes, based on my experience by working with clients across many different builders, is that families put a lot of emphasis in having open space between the family room and the kitchen, such as the space that you see in this video. Because as a family, you tend to spend most of your time together as a family in these respective areas. Family room gathered around the kitchen area or having a meal together at the dining table. So having open space around this area is really impactful and highly desired by new home construction clients. KB Homes like to put in a lot of details into their kitchen and providing upgrades. So what you see in the kitchen here today, the cabinetry on, of course, the ground under the shelves, but also you see cabinetry up above going almost all the way up to the ceiling. So a lot of cabinetry options available, different colors available. This beautiful backsplash that you see is also an option. Most of the things that you see in the video here and in the model homes are usually considered upgrades. And the price point that I mentioned, or maybe I haven't mentioned, this specific 2435 square feet floor plan is around 720 720 to about 740. So in $720,000 homes that they have available at this model home, 2435, would have a little bit of lesser upgrades than compared to, let's say, the house that's available for sale at around 740,000. So it's really critical for you as a client to either get a video tour like this or also get a detailed walkthrough before you make that decision, because even though the price difference is about 10, 20, maybe sometimes up to 25,000, that price difference can mainly be entitled to the different upgrades that the builder has put into the house. In this video today, in addition to the kitchen, the family room, and the dining area, we're going to also show you the downstairs bedroom and bathroom. We're also going to show you the backyard that you will thoroughly enjoy during your sunny California weather days. And also we're going to take you upstairs, show you the rest of the home up there, which includes a loft, which is a great space to be utilized as per your family's needs. And in addition to that, we'll of course show you the master suite, and we're also going to show you the rest of the bedrooms and the bathrooms and kind of give you a detailed view of the space that is available as it's currently shown in this frame. Standing on one side of the family room, you have large windows and the double door giving you all the visibility into your backyard, and also visibility into the kitchen and the dining area, as this is the space, like I mentioned, you will be spending most of your time in. Before going any further in the video, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Sandeep Singh. I'm a local realtor here in the Elk Grove, Sacramento area. I specifically live in the city of Elk Grove, around the same neighborhood where this model home is located. So I speak highly of the Pacific neighborhood, and I have a lot of information specific to the schools, the neighborhood, the safety. So if you have any questions, you can definitely reach out. My contact information would be in the description of the video, and also the banner on my channel if you click on my channel name. Taking you upstairs now, as you can see, tons of natural light as well. You have the windows leading into the staircase, giving you that natural light, and as soon as you walk up, you are welcomed by a wide hallway on the right, and also the loft straight ahead. We're going to show you the detailed view of the loft in a few minutes, because I do want to talk about what some of my other clients have done to the loft to make it more useful for their families. Let's get you into the primary suite first. As soon as you walk in, you realize that it's pretty wide and spacious. Most of my client base, not all, but most of it comes from the Bay Area, and also some from Southern California. So basically Californians moving away from highly priced areas like the Bay Area and the Los Angeles, San Diego area, coming into Sacramento region, specifically Elk Grove, to buy bigger and better homes for their growing families. So one of the first things they notice is how wide and big the master suite is in this specific model home. And we're going to get you into the bathroom as well to show you all the amazing finishes KB Homes have put in. These shelves in the master bedrooms are very rare. It is part of an upgrade, but it is hard to find with other builders. So it is a unique piece to KB Homes where they offer that as an option. And as soon as you kind of start walking towards the bathroom, you are welcomed by a walk-in large closet. Closets are also very important. In addition to storing your clothing, it also provides an additional closet space to store your belongings. And coming into the bathroom area, like I mentioned, KB Homes put in a lot of effort in their finishes on the bathrooms as well. So you see the hardwood floor, you see the cabinetry, you have the standing shower, and definitely the bathtub next to the tons of light that's flowing into the bathroom through the large window there. Talking a little bit about Elk Grove. Elk Grove as a city has grown by leaps and bounds. Since COVID especially, but even before COVID, I think the boom in the city started around 2015 through now. It actually is still ongoing. A lot of people are still moving to this beautiful city from other parts of California and also across the country. And the main reason is, there are actually many, but starting off, the most important one is the school district that is available here in Elk Grove. Elk Grove School District is ranked one of the best school districts across the nation, not just in California. All three schools, elementary, middle, and high schools, that is for this specific neighborhood, are all ranked 8 plus. I think the high school is ranked actually 9, and the middle school, if I'm not wrong, is ranked about 8 as well. And the elementary school is ranked 9. It is a brand new Miwok Elementary School for this neighborhood, so it's still getting its rank up to be higher, and I think it's probably going to stay a 9, maybe even go up to a 10 in the coming months, as more and more people are, of course, grading the school and also taking in a lot of the great education that it has to offer. This is it is the laundry room that is located upstairs, and cabinetry and shelf space available here as well. Talking a little bit more about Elk Grove, coming on to the safety side of the house, the Elk Grove City also has its own police department, and the police department does a lot of community events around the city throughout the year. Let it be 4th of July, let it be barbecue under the sun, and there are a few other events that are hosted by the police department to connect with the community, because Elk Grove truly is one of close-knit communities that I have ever lived in. Let's talk a little bit about this specific community and the Melrose and the HOA. With this specific model home and this specific community at the Grove by KB Homes does not have an HOA. There are other communities that do, and the typical price for the HOA is around $100. But again, this specific community and this specific model will not have an HOA. From a Melrose perspective, you may have heard about Melrose. It is part of property taxes. So the standard property tax in the city of Elk Grove in the county of Sacramento is about 1.06%. And on top of that, you'll have about $4,500 to $5,000 a year of Melrose. So for a house like this, which is priced around $720,000, the property taxes will total out to around $11,000 to $12,000 a year, which is about, $900 some to maybe about $1,000 a month on top of your principal and interest, and of course other expenses you'll have to consider when purchasing a property. Talking a little bit about the house and the model home again, you have the 2 additional bedrooms upstairs with another bathroom to be shared by these 2 bedrooms, and we'll show you the bathroom in a few minutes here. So for this specific home, as you can see, and we're going to get you to the backyard in a few minutes, but I wanted to kind of show you this preview through the window, how wide the lot size is. Typically with newer homes, lot sizes are small, but this specific community, KB Homes, have been generous with their lot sizes. So on a house that is about 2435 square feet, you get a lot size of about 5,500 to 6,000 square feet, which is tons of space, and you'll realize that once we get into the backyard. Talking a little bit about the community again, this specific community is located in the 95757 zip code, which is one of the most prominent zip codes here in the city of Elk Grove. This is where a lot of the population has been moving to, because again, a lot of new construction is happening. So we have KB Homes, we have Taylor Morrison, we have the New Home Company, and many other builders such as Lennar who are building homes here. So we have videos of many other builders on our channel, their comparative floor plans, square foot sizes. So if you are looking to compare this specific model home with other model homes by different builders, feel free to check out the other videos on my channel, and you'll get a detailed view of other model homes that are comparable to this specific model home. And of course, you can compare not only the features, the upgrades, and the floor plans, you can also compare pricing, because all of that information is provided throughout my videos that are available on my channel. I hope you're enjoying this floor plan and also this video. The only thing I ask you to do is give it a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video so far, and if this is helpful to you. Coming back to the loft, this is one of the spaces in the house that folks either treat as a second family room, or they convert it into an home office. Some have even gone as far as converting this into a bedroom. You know, you put a sheetrock wall there, you put a standing closet there, then there you have it, it's a bedroom. But most of the time, people either usually use it as a home office, or they make it another family room by putting up a TV, video games, or they treat it as their children's play area. So that's another use of this loft in most of the newer homes, and my clients have done all of the above. Some have converted into a home theater, some into a home office. It is up to your imagination to how you want to use this space. We're going to get into the backyard here in a little bit. Again, this specific model home 2435 is total 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms with the bed and baths downstairs, and the price point is around $720,000 to $740,000, so about $20,000 to $25,000 price difference. And again, that could be alluded to the different upgrades that are available in this specific home. Let's get you into the backyard through these large double doors. This specific model does not have a covered patio, but the 2713, I believe, the model home, and I have the video on my channel for that, does include a backyard covered patio as well. Since it doesn't have that covered patio, you can see how much space there is to entertain your family and your friends, or to enjoy the sunny California weather here in the beautiful city of Elk Grove. Talking a little bit more about Elk Grove, it has grown tremendously, like I mentioned, over the last 10 years, and it continues to do so. School district being one of the reasons why it's been growing by leaps and bounds. The safety of its neighborhood, having its own police department, is also another reason why. One other major factor is the geographical location of the city. You are anywhere from 1.5 to 2 hours away from any major Bay Area city. So even if you're living here in the beautiful city of Elk Grove and you're commuting to the Bay Area, let's say 1 time a week, maybe 2, even up to 3, it is commutable distance from the city of Elk Grove to, let's say, San Jose, Mountain View, Sunnyvale, all the way up to the city of San Francisco. So location is another key. And lastly is just this city is very clean. All the infrastructure is pretty much brand new. It is a very family-friendly city, not only due to schools, but also a lot of the community events that happen throughout the year. Coming into the bedroom that is located downstairs, it is a very useful feature that is highly desired by my clients, that they would like a bedroom and a full bathroom downstairs in case they have elderly parents who are perhaps living with them. Maybe they have their parents visiting or their family members visiting. So having a full separate bedroom and a bathroom downstairs is really useful from a privacy perspective, ease of convenience. And also some people convert this bedroom into their home office because it has a door, so it provides you that additional level of privacy when you're taking meetings from home perhaps. So a lot of my tech clients tend to convert this bedroom into a home office. And of course there is a full bathroom available downstairs as well. I hope you're enjoying this video, and again, if you are, please give it a thumbs up. That's all I ask. If you have any questions about this specific model home, what you have seen in the video today, or about the city in general, or other builders that are selling homes in this area, feel free to get in touch with me. My information is available in the description of the video. I look forward to speaking with you.